Hello, hi and Assalamualaikum. Welcome to our project presentation. We are from Group 1, Section 4 and let's get going to our presentation. Introducing you to group members of Group 1. First, Haziq, YASMIN, ZHAFRI, FAEZAL, IZZAH and ABDIRAZAQ.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is ZHAFRI bin I'll present about Chapter 1. Our company is SNA Consults Neighborhood, which is through Daruludin. We established since 1999 and are a civil and a structural engineering consulting company. We are honored for its expertise in geotechnical and geology engineering. Huge infrastructure projects such as dams, hydraulic structure, maritime structures, buildings and many more, which covers foundations and ground treatment. Here our company profile. Company name SNA Consults Neighborhood. Company address Unit C113, 213, 313 and 3A13, Block C, Damansara Intan, Number 1, Jalan SS20 027, 47,400 Tarim Jaya, Selangor. Our email is snacsltalliance@gmail.com. Our contact number is 03-7729-2299 and our fax number is 03-7729-2599. Here goes our vision and mission. Our vision is to contribute to an environment that supports aspiration, initiatives and progress for today's world and beyond. Our mission is to be trusted partner with optimum solutions and maximum capabilities that will lead our clients' success. Now we go to organizational chart. For our project director is FAEZAL. If it goes to Chief Executive Officer is IZZAH. Project Manager is ZHAFRI, and the other three is Senior Consultant is YASMIN, and Site Engineer ABDIRAZAQ, and Geotechnical Consultant is Haziq. That's all for me. I'll pass to my friend.
Hi, my name is Yasmin and I will share about the project description. First is the project background. SNA Consults Neighborhood has been appointed to conduct a comprehensive examination and assessment of the soil located at Batu 17 Rawang, Selangor Darul. The main objective of this investigation is to develop a suitable foundation plan for a 4-story hostel building. Conducting a site investigation is crucial to collect the necessary geotechnical engineering data required for the design evaluation and eventual construction of the proposed structural foundation. This project will involve analyzing the bore log, soil parameter and column as well as carrying out foundation work. The project will determine the type of foundation required and perform an analysis of its bearing capacity. It is imperative to design a robust and stable foundation to ensure the strength and safety of the structures that will be constructed on top of it. There are 4 objectives of this project. First is to investigate the soil at the site location. Second is to design a structure foundation. Third is to justify the design consideration, bearing capacity and settlement. And lastly is to propose any soil improvement required prior to foundation building. The site location of the project took place at Batu 17 Rawang, Selangor Darul, which is located at approximately 3.306 latitude and 101.582 longitude. Batu 17 is situated about 42.6 km away from Shah Alam, the capital city of Selangor, 27.9 km from Kuala Lumpur, and 109.4 km from Negeri Sembilan. The population of Batu 17 averages around 6,000 residents, and it is positioned near the border between Selangor and Kuala Lumpur. Additionally, the estimated elevation of the terrain above sea level is 94 meters.
This is the map location of the proposed project. So that's all from me. Thank you, and I will pass the presentation to my group member.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad bin YUSOFF. My kind of metric is CF200-202. I'm going to discuss about Chapter 3, Soil Analysis. Standard Production Test SPT conducted 1.5 meters intervals with use of 63.64 kg Mahimus drop freely height of 76.2 centimeters, where the first 100 millimeters penetration will count as a reference and the next 300 millimeters count as the end value. If 15 conservative SPT exceed 50 or 5 conservative SPT SPT exceed 30, borehole depth surpass 60 meters, drilling should be stopped. This project consists of 4 boreholes. The end value of SPT samples is tabulated in analysis of properties. For borehole analysis, we use this formula. This N60 is the standard penetration number corrected for the field conditions. These are the average angle of friction for borehole 1 and 2, average angle of friction for borehole 3 and 4. For column load, we imported the drawing plan into Esteem software, where then we can get the load at each column. This table shows the value maximum loading at each column with column color mark based on the drawing plan.
Assalamualaikum and selamat datang to my lecture. That is Dr. AZIZI. My name is FAEZAL bin TAIRINI. Number metric is CF200209. And I will present about the chapter 4, that is design and calculation for the foundation project. The primary focus of this project is to determine the suitable foundation type and to perform necessary calculation to ensure the structural integrity. For the calculation, I will present one of the calculation that are design foundation. As you can see at the slide, the specification for our foundation is the length that are 6 meter, the size is 300 times 300, and the gap are 900. After that, the calculation will determine whether the pile will be grouped or not. And for our design, the pile will behave as a group. And the load bearing capacity for the group pile was 6,580.38 kilonewton. That are larger than the moment, that is 1,976.9 kilonewton. Therefore, the dimension of pile and quantity of pile was suitable for this foundation. For the settlement of pile, according to the calculation, we use the Meyerhof formula. Based on the calculation, we have determined that the permissible settlement for various author, that is 7 mm of settlement, is acceptable. Last but not least, this is the detailing that we got for the foundation after determining it with the calculation that we write. And that's all from me. Thank you very much.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is ABDIRAZAQ Abdi. My model number AF20020. I am section 4 foundation engineering. My lecturer Dr. AZIZI. I am group 1 foundation engineering. I'm starting my party. I'm taking project foundation engineering chapter 2 design foundation. So the first is the calculation for a load of foundation from a column 3 CUC, and here you see all this calculation we did, and we come up 9.29 kilonewton. So that answer for column C, and therefore for the dimension of Baylis was suitable for this solution. And this column 2C we did same before, come up 9.9 kilonewton. And also thank you very much.
Assalamualaikum to everyone. My name is NURUL with HARUN with metric number CF200154. I will be taking part to explain the soil improvement technique and conclusion of this project. Not all soils at construction site are suitable for supporting purpose infrastructure in their natural state. Soil improvement techniques are necessary to ensure the safe construction and stability of this structure. The common soil improvement technique are soil compaction. It involves mechanically densifying the soil by applying external forces to reduce its voids and increase its density. This technique is used to improve load bearing capacity and reduce settlement potential. Next is soil stabilization. Soil stabilization is a process by which a soil physical property is transformed to provide long-term permanent strength gain. Stabilization is accomplished by increasing the shear strength and the overall bearing capacity of a soil. Over a soil replacement, for a case where the existing soil is unsuitable, soil replacement may be necessary. This involves removing the inadequate soil and replacing the weak soil with more suitable fill material to achieve the desired shear strength. Furthermore, the soil improvement technique are soil consolidation. Soil consolidation is the gradual reduction of the volume of water in the soil due to the drainage compression. This causes the soil particles to rearrange and settle closer together, resulting in a decrease in pore pressure and increased effective stress. In conclusion, the project utilized a deep foundation design, specifically pile foundation, to support the column. The column were grouped based on their load requirement and the pile dimension 300 by 300 mm, 400 by 400 mm, 500 by 500 mm. The length of the pile vary depending on the load carried by each column group, with length of 6 meter, 12 meter and 70 meter used. The settlement analysis of the deep foundation indicate that the settlement were within acceptable limit with less than 10% of the foundation width. They demonstrate that the chosen deep foundation are capable of supporting the above ground superstructure effectively.
That's all from us. Thank you for watching.